Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video I will show you how to create a new Zoom account. So first you need to get the app from Microsoft Store or just from the website, from this platform, zoom.us. So the second thing, once you got to this window and you got the app, you just go and click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, you need to fill this empty panel and you just type your email address, just like that. Then click on continue. Once you click on continue, they will send you a verification code to your email. So let's check our inbox, and here is it. This is the code that they just sent to us. Go back to your app and pass it. Okay, now you need to enter your name and last name and password. So for example, I will type Jackson and set a strong password. Alright, this choice is for uh, educational purposes. If you are here and you want to use Zoom Workplace for the education, just click on that one. Then once you are finished, click on continue. Okay, that's how to get a new Zoom account. Now you are in Zoom and you can create a new meeting or schedule one, and also there is so many options like join in a meeting by your teacher, etc. And also you can share your screen, and there are too many options, as I told you, like go into a team chat, uh, and you can also see the future meetings and the past ones. Anyways, that's how you create a new Zoom account. And guys, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to share, subscribe and like. Bye bye.